You ready to open your egg? Say yes, Dad.
Yes, Dad.
Okay. There you go. What's in there? Ooh. Wow.
Hot.
It's hard. Hit it on the table. Is that the trash? I'll take the trash. Thank you. You got it open? Ooh. That's the chocolate. Hmm? How is the chocolate? So what's inside the egg? Hey, where are you going? Oh, you have another one. Open it. Okay. Oh, you got this already. What's in here? Oh, that came in that one? That's what's in here. It's kind of hard with one hand. There you go. Oh, Captain America. Oh, you got Captain America. Let's see. This thing goes on here. Like that. Oops. It goes this way. I think it goes like that. Ta-da! Captain America. And a fairy. Hi.